We believe this initiative is a start and a major milestone in trying to address issues around food security and nutrition security.
Most policymakers don't really get a chance to visualize the impact of pests or yield losses. So once they are told actual terms, what it costs really, they can put it to perspective and make the right interventions so that these losses are basically minimized.
Normally as a research we generate so many data, but we need to interpret those data in systematic way for modeling so that our interventions can be targeted and policy responses can be more effective.
Everyone is contributing for the to have a better plan, to have a better data, especially quality data. We are seeing on policy aspect, data security aspect, storage, data storage aspect, accessibility and definability.
And the unique aspect or angle that this project is therefore exploring around a crop loss at the time before harvest is quite interesting to us. And listening to the conversations and the presentations, it's clear that there is huge benefits for farmers and basically all other actors.
We identified so many stakeholders that can contribute to reducing crop loss and increasing productivity. In engaging and also we were partnering with CABI. We now continue our collaboration and support the initiatives.
The initiative will generate great insights into what is causing crop loss and therefore enable the government and all other stakeholders develop strategies that can be able to mitigate against crop loss